Functions Overview. AWS Step Functions provides serverless orchestration for modern applications. It lets you coordinate multiple AWS services into workflows. Using step functions, you can design and run workflows that stitch together services, such as AWS Lambda, AWS Fargate, and Amazon SageMaker, into feature-rich applications. Workflows are made up of a series of steps, with the output of one step acting as input into the next. It translates your workflow into a state machine. State machine contain a number of states, and a transition between each state. For example, states can perform work, pass parameters, initiate parallel execution, manage timeouts, make choices, or terminate your workflow, with a success or failure. You define state machines using the JSON-based Amazon States language. The Step Functions console displays a graphical view of your state machine structure. This provides a way to visually check your state machine's logic and monitor executions. Common use cases include data processing such as machine learning model training, modernize a monolith, where you can easily transform monolithic applications into microservices as a series of small steps, and automate tasks such as recurring tasks, and application orchestration. Here are the key benefits. Build and update apps quickly. AWS Step Functions lets you build visual workflows that enable fast translation of business requirements into technical requirements. You can build applications in a matter of minutes, and when needs change, you can swap or reorganize components without customizing any code. Improve resiliency. AWS Step Functions manages state, checkpoints and restarts for you to make sure that your application executes in order and as expected. Built-in try-catch, retry, and rollback capabilities deal with errors and exceptions automatically. Write less code. AWS Step Functions manages the logic of your application for you and implements basic primitives such as branching, parallel execution, and timeouts. This removes extra code that may be repeated in your microservices and functions. This is how it works. First, configure. You can define your workflow as a series of steps. Then you can populate by connecting the defined tasks to the code hosted in functions, containers, instances, and on-premises servers. Next, you can run your application by providing any needed input and run your workflows as many times as needed for up to 1 year. You can also easily evolve your workflow. You can swap out tasks, change the order of steps, or add new steps, all without changing code.